This 2026 Audi RS3 just rolled into our shop, and even though it's brand new, it's not ready for protection yet. Let me show you exactly what proper preparation looks like and why every single one of these steps matters. We always start with the wheels because they're the dirtiest part of any vehicle. Brake dust bonds to these finishes at extremely high temperatures, and if we don't remove it properly first, we risk dragging that contamination across the paint during our wash. We're working through every spoke and into the barrels with dedicated wheel cleaner and brushes sized specifically for different areas. It takes time, but it's the only way to do this right. Our wash process follows a specific order. First, a thorough rinse to knock off loose dirt. Then we apply a thick layer of pH-neutral foam that sits on the surface, loosening everything up and creating lubrication. Then comes the hand wash using 2 buckets, one with fresh soapy water, one for rinsing our wash mitt. This keeps us from reintroducing dirt back onto the paint. Now here's where we separate ourselves from a typical car wash. All of these grills, badges, and panel gaps trap dirt and old wax that spraying alone won't touch. We're going through every single one of these areas with soft detailing brushes, making sure we're starting with a truly clean surface. Because everything we're about to do next depends on this foundation being done correctly. Next is chemical decontamination. This product is specifically designed to dissolve iron particles embedded in the clear coat. Clay bar gets what it can physically reach, but this step removes contamination that's embedded too deep for mechanical removal alone. Water spots are actually mineral etching from hard water. Here in New Jersey, we deal with this constantly. These aren't something you can just wipe off. The minerals have etched into the clear coat. Now the car is fully decontaminated and ready for paint correction. We're bringing it into our climate-controlled bay where we can control every variable: temperature, humidity, dust, and lighting. These factors all affect how paint correction works. We're using Rupas and flex polishers with a multi-stage compound and polish process. What you're seeing here is the removal of swirl marks, scratches, and oxidation that's accumulated since this car left the factory. This is why we don't skip steps at tailored detail works. Every correction and coating package goes through this exact process. It's not about being fast or being cheap, it's about doing it right. If you're in the Mount Laurel area and you want this level of care for your vehicle, there's a link in the description to book a consultation with us. We're the right choice for owners who understand that proper detailing isn't a commodity. It's a craft that requires the right process, the right products, and the experience to know how to use them.